Alright, time to solve some logarithmic equations. For this first one, we need to combine these two logs into one thing, or into one log. And since that's subtraction, we use the division property. Okay, for the subtraction property, which says if we have two subtracted logs of the same base, we can combine them into one log where we divide the arguments. Okay. And so now what do? Do I divide by log? No, don't do that. Don't think that. Okay, a log is a totally different animal. We have to rewrite this into exponential form because inside our log, inside the argument is where our variable is. So what is this saying to us? A log kind of asks a question. What power do I raise to 2 to get 9 over negative x times 4? And the answer is 2. They gave us the answer. They said that 2 squared is equal to negative 9 over 4x. Right there I did something kind of subtle. I moved that negative sign out front. Okay, so the negative sign in the denominator, the whole term is negative. So that's 4 equals negative 9 over 4x. I need to get that x out of the denominator. I want to know what x is, not 1 over x. So I multiply by 4 over x to get rid of that whole denominator, and I get 16x is equal to negative 9. Divide by 16. X is equal to negative 9 over 16. The last step would be to check that answer back in the original and make sure that it doesn't make me do the log of a negative argument or a 0 argument, because I can't raise 2 to any power to make it 0. I can't raise 2 to any power to make it negative. Okay, so a negative times a negative 9 over 16 gets me a positive number, and that's okay. So my answer is negative 9 over 16.